everyone, Maya with ShinKyu University. I'm here with my assistant Deirdre, and we're learning a little bit about Nepalese Moxa. Nepalese Moxa was reinvented, I guess you could say, by acupuncturist in Japan called Hata Sensei. She's an amazing practitioner there. You can buy it through ShinKyu, which I will leave in the description box below. If you want to chat with Enomoto-san, he's the owner, you can buy this really awesome moxa tool. And it looks a little bit like a moxa massage. And so you can buy a little bamboo holder to put on it to control the heat. It's essentially a thicker stick moxa, actually made in Nepal in order to create income for women there. So it's a great product to buy to not only support people, but also to help in your practice. So let's talk about a little bit how to use it. So I'm going to talk Deirdre how to use this as she shows you guys how to do it. So the first thing that you're going to want is to have a towel or a sheet over the placement that you're doing it. You can do it on top of people's clothing. And then you're going to have a little bit, maybe a fourth of maybe a centimeter or something, I guess that is, a centimeter or so, sticking out from the holder. Now, if it's too little sticking out, it's going to put itself out. And you also have to be careful about the ash with this. Okay, and so then you're going to place it on the point that you want to treat, and then quickly cover it with your other hand. Now, a point here is you can see her other hand is actually being covered by the towel. You can also use like an oven mitt, and you can place this moxa on a point, and then you hold your hand 3 seconds. I like a bit of a massage technique, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 as you come up, so it just feels really nice. Usually you do 1 point 3 times, so it's a set of 3. Cool. And Deirdre, could you tell everyone how that feels?
It's warm without being hot. It's very relaxing, and also has really helped a lot of tension just kind of melt away. Yeah, it's just very cozy feeling.
Yeah. So I really love Nepalese Moxa for a great tonifying treatment. There's a few things about Nepalese Moxa that I do not like. It gives off a lot of smoke. That's one of the reasons why I highly suggest you get this little holder with the Nepalese Moxa. It does give off quite a bit of smoke. Not the same quality as the stick moxa, though, to be quite honest. It just has a different smell to it. The other thing is it's a little bit expensive, to be quite honest, but as far as I'm concerned, it helps to feed women who are trying to support their families in Nepal, so I'm okay with spending that money. And the third thing is it is a little bit time consuming in your treatment. It is something that I would love, you know, if you do massage in your treatment, or if you have like a pregnant mom, this is a great way to do it. You can actually do this directly on the eyes, on the face. All of these techniques and more are something that I go into more in ShinKyu University, but it's just a really great tool that you can utilize in your treatment. Another quick tidbit about this guy is that when you're pushing him up and out, you'll notice that there's a lot of ash right here. So in order to get rid of this ash, you're going to actually take a razor blade and cut across the top, but you have to do so in a way that you don't cut the cherry off the top of this stick. And then also be very careful when you're using just a little bit of stick. There's actually, this is maybe there's a fourth of a stick left in here, and then a new stick being fed through the back, which you can totally do in these little holders, which is great, but you want to be careful that this doesn't ever fall onto your patient and create a burn. Yeah, so anyway, this is Nepalese Moxa. My name is Maya Suzuki with ShinKyu University, and if you thought that this was a cool video, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell to be notified when we're making new videos. And if you're interested in learning about more moxa and acupuncture techniques, just like Deirdre and some of my other students, feel free to set up an interview in the description box below.